Okay, I need a washer. Don't have a washer. I'm trying to put this screw through here. I want this to be recessed so that I can pull the Wacom tablet across it without it hitting it. And the problem is I had used this as a washer with a longer screw. Didn't work out. Problem is I don't have a washer. I had one little type of a washer, but it wasn't long enough. Just wanted to show you a quick one. I got a piece of copper wire here. So what I started doing was just curling it. So just like so. That's how we curl it. I started this one already, but I want to give it a couple curls and even use the insulation as well. And just making a washer. And piece of wire is not the strongest thing, but it should be strong enough to do what I want it to do. So what we'll do is we'll cut this off now. Alright. And then I'll finish the bend so that it'll fit into the, because I want it to go down into the hole. Alright. And then here's the screw. A couple factors, hopefully the deal's long enough to go in. And my hole's wide enough that it should work just fine. I'm going to back it out and go back in this way. I'm pretty sure that's going to hold really good. Alright. So I'll even, in theory, kind of thread in there. It's raining today. Nice little rainy day. For a change. What I'll do is kind of grab this so I can hold it easier. In theory. And I could just reopen this a little bit. In theory. There we go. I made a homemade washer. And the other thing is I need it to insert down into the hole. Uh-oh. Well, hopefully once it starts, it's going to push it down in. Let's see if I can squeeze it down a little smaller. Make it fit down inside. Uh-oh. And if need to be, I may have to take it off the insulation. But I think we'll be okay. Once I get the head down to it, I think once it starts twisting into the deal, or I can just tap it in. Get the head down there. There we go. Nice. Okay. And now I'm just going to thread the deal on, and I'll use the deal. Turn it off. There we go. And so now I made the washer. side nice and tight. There we go. This, again, I had the washer through here this way, but when we wanted to use this, it would get in the way. So, a little modification. Make my own little washer. Done deal. Alright. Here it is. It's all nice and tight. I'll probably rotate this so that. There we go. Take off that little, looks like something came off there. There we go. Done deal. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung-Fu Maintenance. Over and out. That was a nice easy one. A little modification for this deal. Alright. No more getting in the way. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.